Thanks for joining us on the newsroom on TV360 Nigeria. I am Annetta Felix. Residents of some communities in Lagos and Ogun State have taken up the role of vigilantes to protect their neighborhood from robbery attacks. This comes after hoodlums reportedly took advantage of the current lockdown in both states to rob people of their valuables and rape women in border communities. Speaking to newsmen over the weekend, landlords and youth of the community say they have decided to take proactive steps to protect their community by taking up arms. The affected communities include Ifa local government area of Ogun State, Adodo Ota local government area of Ogun State, Alimosho and Agege local government areas in Lagos. The Nigeria Center for Disease Control (NCDC) says 19 states and the Federal Capital Territory, Abuja, have recorded cases of coronavirus. This brings the total number of confirmed coronavirus cases in Nigeria to 323 as of April 12, 2020. Of the 36 states in Nigeria, the virus has not been recorded in 17 states. All the states in the southwest have recorded cases of the virus, with Lagos having the highest number of infections at 176, followed by Osun State with 20 cases, Oyo with 11 cases, and Ogun State with 7 cases. The Housing Development Advocacy Network, HDAN, has called on the government and the private sector to put measures in place for people in need of decent accommodation in the country during this period of lockdown due to the coronavirus pandemic. In a statement signed by its president, Festus Adebayo, the group said it had critically evaluated the government's economic intervention policies and observed the lack of provision for the real estate sector. The group said many Nigerians can't stay at home because they don't even have a home. HDAN said the government could intervene by working out a plan with the Federal Mortgage Bank of Nigeria. As part of efforts to help vulnerable Nigerians cushion the effect of COVID-19 pandemic, the Naval Officers' Wives Association of Nigeria, NOAA, has provided food items, hand sanitizers, and other relief materials to over 200 widows in Lagos. National President of NOAA, Theresa Ibas, made the presentation to the recipients. She described the period of the pandemic as a difficult time for the widows as they have been unable to engage in their small businesses due to the lockdown. Ibas says the kind gesture would be extended to wives of the fallen in other states across the country. The Financial Reporting Council of Nigeria says it has assessed the impact of COVID-19 on audits of reporting entities in Nigeria. It had also released guidelines for external auditors and matters to consider during COVID-19, and that's in order to maintain high-quality audits in Nigeria after they consulted with key stakeholders. Now, it stated that the severity of the COVID-19 pandemic and its impact, given these situations, on its impact on employees' mobility and the financial systems, including the economy, it's very likely that auditors may encounter accounting issues which may require audit teams to consider modifications to audit options. Now, out of Africa, Italian police has fined almost 23,000 people for breaking coronavirus containment rules within 2 days. The country's Interior Ministry said this on Sunday. The ministry said between Friday and Saturday, 22,956 people were fined, along with 397 businesses, from the start of the national lockdown in April and May 11th to April 11th. A total of 6,762,858 people have been checked to make sure they were complying with containment measures. Super Eagles assistant coach Joseph Yobo said he will bring motivation, inspiration, and consistency to the national team. The Nigeria Football Federation on February 12th announced the appointment of the former Eagles captain, but sections of the NFF have questioned his appointment, claiming that the ex-international does not have the required certification for the position. But in a live Instagram chat with newsmen over the weekend, Yobo said he was ready for the challenge. And that's it on the newsroom on TV360 Nigeria. I am Annetta Felix. Thanks for watching.